How to fix app auto-close on Android. Quick Fix 2026. If apps keep closing automatically on your Android phone, follow these simple fixes. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart. This clears temporary system glitches. Fix 2. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then select the app that keeps closing, then tap Storage and then Clear Cache. Fix 3. Update the app. Open Google Play Store, search for the app, tap Update if available. Updates often fix crashes and bugs. Fix 4. Check storage space. Go to Settings, then Storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free. Low storage can cause apps to auto-close. Fix 5. Disable battery restrictions. Go to Settings, then Apps, select the app, tap Battery, then choose Unrestricted or No Restrictions. Fix 6. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, then install it again from the Play Store. This fixes corrupted app files.